Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video I will be sharing with you all how you can do your makeup using minimal makeup products, and for today's video I will be using all NYWay makeup products and most of them are under rupees 200. I think एक या तो दो प्रोडक्ट ही ऐसे है जो कि 200 rupees से So yeah, with that being said, let's get started with today's video now. So I'm starting off with NYWay Brightening Makeup Primer, which is very lightweight. It provides even skin tone, it minimizes open pores and it's a hydrating primer. Consistency of this product is really thin, that's why skin पे evenly spread हो जाती है. For today's video I will skip color correction part and I will directly apply my foundation, and for that I'm using NYWay Foundation Concealer Contour Color Correcting Stick. It's a multi-purpose product and you can use this one in different ways, and it provides medium coverage. It's a very easy to blend and it's a cruelty free product. So I will be using a flat foundation brush to blend out my foundation because stick foundations blend करने के लिए मैं हमेशा brushes ही prefer करती हूँ, but if you don't have a brushes you can use a damn beauty blender. I will be using that same foundation as my concealer. तो मैं मेरी फिंगर टिप पे थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट ले लूँगी and I will dab it under my eyes. In case you don't want to invest in a concealer, then you can buy this kind of multi-purpose products, or you can apply your foundation as your concealer. After that I will set my full face using a compact powder. For today's eye look I will be using these single eyeshadows, and these are called NYWay Blinking Eyeshadow. The shades are really amazing and it provides that shimmery effect. These shadows are long lasting, provides high color payoff, and you are getting a wide shade range to choose from. So I will be using this shade as my transition color and I am blending it out using a fluffy blending brush. Next I'm using this dark grey color on my outer V, and first I'm patting it in and then I will blend it out using that same brush. Next I'm using this rose gold color on my eyelids and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush for that, and I'm trying to create a fake cut crease kind of a eye look. On top of it I will be using this golden shade, and while applying this shade I will make sure that I'm blending it with the grey color that I applied on my outer V. For eyeliner I'm using NYWay Sky Eyeliner, which is a matte black eyeliner, and if you know me you know that I love matte eyeliners, and it provides single stroke application, it's smudge proof, water resistant, and it's intensely pigmented as you guys can see in the video, and the application is quite smooth because the wand they have provided is really small and thin as well. But before applying my eyeliner I will make sure that मैं wand and brush से excess product को wipe out करके then apply कर रही हूँ, and I'm creating a thin winged eyeliner. For my waterline I'm using NYWay the Big Apple of My Eye Black Coal, which is a long lasting smudge proof water resistant intensely pigmented kajal, and it provides single stroke application. मैंने इसको precisely apply कर रही हूँ, but what I will do is I will smudge out the outer corner. Okay, मैं इसको like एकदम smudge नहीं कर रही हूँ, बस outer corner पे ही मैं इसको थोड़ा सा smudge कर रही हूँ. I will not contour or bronze my face, instead I will be using this eyeshadow as my blush, and you guys can see that how subtle yet gorgeous it's looking. After that I will highlight my face, and one thing that मैंने ना थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा blush apply की है which is optional, and मैंने मेरी nose पे and chin पे भी blush apply की है, but if you don't want to apply your blush on those areas then you can skip it. For the lipstick I will be using two lip shades. Here I'm using NYWay Primer Plus Matte Confessions of a Lipholic lipstick, and the shades I'm using is All I Want for Love and Snuggle Secrets. These lip shades are super lightweight and बिल्कुल भी drying matte नहीं है, and it's transfer resistant, provides high color payoff, and the application is very easy. So firstly I have applied the magenta shade, and top of it I will be using the dark shade, and I absolutely loved the color it turned out after applying both the shades. And with that we completed today's video. I will be providing all the buying links in my description box, so check out from there, and there is a giveaway running on my channel, so if you wish you can participate to that. And yep, see you guys soon. Bye and take care.